You used AI 5 times today and didn't notice once. The video that auto-played, the email that never reached your inbox because it was a spam, the playlist that somehow knew your mood. None of that was hand-coded by a programmer writing rules. It was learned. So here's a question that started an entire field. How does a computer learn something nobody explicitly taught it? Let me show you. 1959. A man named Arthur Samuel wants a computer to play checkers. The obvious approach? Write down every single rule. If the opponent does this, do that. Thousands of rules by hand. But Samuel didn't do that. Instead, he let the computer play checkers against itself, thousands of games, and learn which moves led to winning. The result? The machine got better than Samuel himself. It learned a skill its own creator couldn't fully explain. That's the whole idea of machine learning, and Samuel said it best. The field of study that gives the computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. We don't write the rules. We show the machine examples, and it finds the rules itself. There are two big flavors of this. The first is supervised learning, and it's exactly how you learned in school. You give the computer an input and the correct answer. An input we'll call X, an answer we'll call Y. Say you want to predict house prices. X is the size of the house, Y is the price it sold for. You feed the machine thousands of these pairs size, price, and it figures out the relationship between them. Now show it a new house it's never seen. It predicts the price. Nobody told it the formula, it learned from examples. That's a teacher handing you answer keys until you solve the next problem alone. Spam filters, handwriting recognition, medical diagnosis, all the same trick. Labeled examples in, predictions out. The second flavor is stranger. In unsupervised learning, there is no answer key. You hand the computer a pile of data and say, figure out what's interesting. Picture dumping a giant box of Lego on the floor, no instructions. Naturally, you'd start sorting. Reds here, big pieces there, wheels in their own pile. Nobody told you the categories. You found them. That's what these algorithms do. They discover hidden groups in data on their own. It's how companies find customer types they never knew existed. So the difference is simple. Supervised learning, you give the answers. Unsupervised learning, the machine finds the pattern. And that's it. You now understand the foundation the entire field is built on. Not the buzzwords. The actual idea. Learning from data instead of rules. In the next video, we will build your first model from scratch. We'll code about 10 lines, and you'll watch it learn in front of you. I'm learning this stuff from the ground up and putting every single step on this channel. If that's the journey you want, come along. See you in the next one.